Okie dokie, it's been a minute. That time of year. Haven't worked on this thing in probably over a month. Just summertime, got to do things. Haven't been down to the basement at all. Playability's good. Got the pickup rings all set. Got the control cavity. This little plate I'm gonna glue in there. It's a piece of plastic. I just cut open a beer can and sanded it and super glued it. Fit right in there for the grounding and shielding purposes. But knobs, I don't know. This kind of looks okay. I have bags of knobs just that I've pulled off of old stereos over the years. That kind of looks okay. I was looking at, this was my other choice. I mean, I can always switch things whenever I want. Those kind of look cool. They kind of got a cool look there. I got to pull the shaft out of them. These mini ones, which I don't know, I think they're a little too small. Kind of neat. And then I think, I don't know, these are a little too big. Fuck you. Come on now. Whatever. Here's one up close. Pretty cool. It's a little big though, I think. I think I have something similar, a little smaller. Yeah, that's fucking awful. But I think so far, I kind of like that. Yeah, what do you guys think? It's not bad. I have to go through my other bags. I mean, literally. I have bags and knobs. Unfortunately, a lot of them are just enormous. So we'll see. But the heat has finally driven me inside, so I'm going to get back to this. I just like being outdoors, so working on the guitar.